There goes a JetBlue Airlines, and we're at the Travelers Island. I don't know where these planes are coming from. Where the hell did I go? Two of them. There's a private airplane behind us. Look at that.
Let me turn.
Is there an airport around here, Ma?
There's gotta be. The wheels are down.
Yeah, I never.
So there's something in New Haven, probably. Is there a New Haven airport?
I don't know. I don't think I saw Delta and a JetBlue already. So I don't know where there's passenger airplanes. Okay, your head is in the way. Now I lost it. Okay, whatever.
Unless Kennedy is like closer than we think.
I think it was on the next one.
Yeah, there it goes. There goes a Bombardier CRJ and it's Delta Airlines.